Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got an IZIS lock here. This is a French pump lock. The key bit in here sets the pins, and then the tensioner moves on its own and turns the core while this remains stationary. Like this. And just for reference, I'm going to show you guys the inside of the keyway. You can see in the bottom here, there's nothing there. When I pick at one position, you'll see the pin stuck in there. Alright. This lock isn't guttable. I'd have to drill it out to do that, and we're not going to do that today. Alright. This box of tensioners, I had to find one that would work. Alright. Got a binder on 1, 2, 3. We'll leave 4 alone. 5. Alright. Now what we do is you start pushing. Now we got a binder here. Just going to push in a circle. And what we're doing is these pins are shaped like hourglasses and they're tapered. And we're just getting less jiggle as we work them down. When you get to a hard stop, you leave it alone. And this will take a little while. And I'm using extremely heavy tension on this. So heavy that whenever it flips, you're just going to hear the pins fall when it hits the next position, because I have so much tension that I'm not going to be able to stop it from turning. We're getting close. Some of these are getting shallow. Alright, we gotta click on 3. And we just picked at one position, and I will show you. We now have a pin in the driver, or a driver pin down there at the bottom. Alright, unless you guys want to see me pick it back, that's about it for you for the IZIS. I'm not going to make you guys sit through that. Alright, thanks for watching.